So in the last class we have studied what is business environment, and in this class let us go through importance of business environment. So we know what is business environment. Okay, so it is nothing but sum total of all the individuals, institutions and all other forces which are going to exist outside the business, but yet they are going to influence the performance of business. Okay, so customers, investors, competitors, suppliers, all political conditions, social conditions, technological advancements. Okay, these are all going to take its existence outside the business, but yet they are going to have influence over business, many times positively and sometimes even negatively also. Okay, so in this class we need to study why we need to understand our manager as a manager. Okay, in a management as a manager, so why there is a need to understand business environment. Okay, so why there is a need to go for environment scanning. Why we need to understand the concept of business environment. Just let us go through. So very first advantage of this one is it enables the firm to identify opportunities and to get the first mover advantage. Okay, so it helps us if there is a manager, the better understanding of environment helps him to identify the opportunities. He can identify the opportunities. Okay, so very first than the others, and accordingly he can act upon. Okay, so you take an example of Maruti Udyog Limited. So they are the first manufacturers who produced small cars. Okay, so they identify the opportunity. So there is in a country like India there is a need to focus on middle income people, and there is a need to produce small cars, and they have produced. Okay, so as a result of that they encashed the market. So if you are able to identify the opportunities, so you can encash it. So if you understand the business environment in a better manner, so that definitely helps you to find what are the different ways, what are the creative ways that you can enter into. Okay, and you can encash the opportunities before others. Okay, before others are going to produce, so you can produce. So or otherwise, take another example in a country like India, where especially at festival times, so people used to purchase so many. They are having a habit of going for shopping, and they used to purchase so many different kinds of products like clothes, like jewelries. Okay, like car or any other accessories to home. Okay, so at the festival times, so you can give offers or you can produce and you can offer more products, so that you can encash the opportunity of market. So better understanding of business environment, how the factors are going to affect on business. Okay, so any manager, if he is going to understand the environment properly, so he can take the help, and as a result of that, it enables you to identify the opportunities and encash it. Okay, second one, it helps to identify threats and early warning signals. It helps to identify threats and early warning signals. So by understanding the environment, okay, so there will be so many number of factors which are going to affect on you. So if you are going to understand well, they are going to help you to identify threat and early warning signals. Threat. So what is the meaning of threat? So fear. You can identify the fear that you are going to face in nearer future, and accordingly you can act upon. So before you are going to face the losses, so you can able you to face the challenges. Okay, so better understanding can help you to face the threats, and it also act as a early warning signal. It's going to give you an early alarm. It is going to act as an early alarm. It is going to give you signals, early warning signals. Take an example of suppose if you have an information that some of the MNCs are going to enter into Indian market. Okay, and they are going to produce the same product which you are producing, and they are going to enter in the same industry where you are, and they are going to produce and offer in less cost. So in such cases, so if you have such information, so you can improve the quality of your products, you can reduce the production cost, or you can go for the aggressive advertising technologies, or you can go for the advertising and more marketing tax, and so as a result of that you can escape you from the problem. Okay, so that is what. So if you understand the environment properly, it acts as a threat to you, and it is going to act as a early warning signal, and so that you can realize the nearer problems which are going to come you, and you can act accordingly. Okay, so that is what. Third one, it helps in tapping useful resources. Tapping useful resources. Tapping is useful resources, nothing but tapping. Here the word tapping stands for it gives you the capability to face the challenges. Okay, so tapping useful resources in the sense, I always used to tell you, business where it exists, it cannot be exist in isolation. It's supposed to be exist in a society. So where you supposed to depend on environment to get more, all the resources. So to start any business, you need money, you need materials, you need people, you need machineries. So all these material, money, machinery. So from where you are going to get? So all you can get all these from the environment only. Okay. So if you have the better understanding of this environment, or if you go for environment scanning, so you can identify, or you can tap the useful resources. You can take the better use of resources. So where is the raw materials? Where the raw material is available at lesser cost, where you can get investment at lesser rate of interest. So it helps you to find these facilities, and as a result of that, definitely it will improve your profits. Then when it comes to the fourth one, that is it helps in coping up with rapid changes. It helps in coping up with rapid changes. So coping up with rapid changes is nothing but it helps you to adapt changes, because business environment is dynamic in nature. Dynamic in the sense it always constantly keeps changing. Okay, you cannot expect your customer. You cannot expect your customer to behave in the same way throughout the year or throughout your business time. Okay, so there will be some changes. There will be some changes in the taste and preferences of customers. Okay, there will be some changes in the rules which are going to establish or implement by government. So you need to make some changes according to the environment. Okay, if there are some changes if there is shift in demand, if there is shift in preference and taste of customer, so you need to make changes accordingly. If there is a new technology, so you need to improve your technology as well. Okay, so then only it is possible to survive in the market. So otherwise you are going to lose the marketplace. Okay, so you supposed to develop yourself, or continuously you supposed to be in touch with the technology. You supposed to be updated to meet the environmental changes, because environment is dynamic in nature. It keeps changes always. It constantly keeps changes. So that is what. So better understanding of business environment can help you to cope up with the rapid changes. Okay. Then the next one helps in assisting planning and policy formulation. So always organizations used to go for planning. So what is planning? So planning is all about deciding the future course of action in advance. Okay, so what are all the things we need to achieve in this particular financial year? So we need to make particular targets, and we need to achieve through our plan. So we need to achieve our targets. Okay, so better understanding of business environment can help you to plan better. Okay, can help you to formulate the better policies. Okay, so what is going to happen with the better policy and better planning? So definitely it gives some sort of or some kind of advantage to achieve the organizational goals effectively. Okay, so that is what one of the importance. And moving to the last one, helps in improving performance. If you are going to understand the business environment in a proper manner, a better understanding of business environment can help you to improve your performance. Improve your performance in the sense to improve the organizational performance, to earn more profits, or to survive in the market and to grow better, to grow bigger and bigger. Okay, so if you understand the business environment, if you are able to if you are able to identify the future happenings, if you are able to predict the future happenings up to some extent at least, always it is not possible to identify the future happenings in advance 100%, but at some extent you can expect, you can predict, and that predictions, that accurate prediction can definitely help you, okay, to improve your performance. So better understanding of environment or environmental scanning can help the manager to improve his performance. So in turn it is going to help to improve the performance of organization also. Okay, that is what. Okay, so it helps to improve the performance of organization also. Okay, so if you understand the factors and forces and institutions and individuals, so all those which are going to exist outside the business and yet they are going to have some negative impacts over business, if you are able to identify those factors or forces, so definitely you can make yourself ready to face the challenges. Okay, so always definitely it is going to help you to achieve your organizational goals in a better way. Okay, so that is why there is a need to understand the concept of business environment. Okay, so that is about the importance of business environment. So in the next class, so we will go through the dimensions, okay, different dimensions of business environment. Okay, so till then, stay at home, keep learning. Thank you.